I'm going to record what I need to do to fix a room. So first off, because we don't have mode 2 working yet, I have to go and reset the Wi-Fi back to mode 1. I already know that it's DRC6A F9. Okay, so now what we're talking about is the light back DZ2 device, which is these lights. So when I go into light back DZ2, you'll see that its current value is at 0, but it's literally at 100. Let me just tap it, manual to 100, no change. Now watch this, manual to 0, manual to 100. Now, my concern is, here's my groups. Here's my all lights group. Light back DZ2, clearly checked. TW front light is only this singular light in this individual classroom. Now, my keypads. So when I go to the DRC, top left, all lights on. Bottom left would then be all lights off. Now here's where it gets more fun. You see that name call out? Watch this. Groups, all lights. Oops, did it backwards. Delete. We'll just delete the group. Now I will re-add the group. I changed the name up even, just because. Same 5 devices. So now I changed it, changed the name. Remade the same group. Go into the keypads. It will have already transposed the change. I don't know why it works like this. It should say no action on the left side, but it instantly transposes these. Pause. As I was saying, I had to pause. All the programming is there, moved in both switches. The new group that I just made has already transposed itself somehow. And now when I go to the wall switch, lights off, lights on. Now the bigger issue is that this has also brought into effect an issue of the daylighting, or not the daylighting, sorry, occupancy. So when I go into the occupancy, and you'll clearly see the device light back DZ2 is clearly checked. I'm going to put this into test mode. Actually, I'll bring it out here. Because what I'm having to do is like delete and remake the groups, and then delete and remake the occupancy, and it's solving the problem. And at the same time, in each of these rooms, I've also been going down to the schedule on the enable side and changing it. See how it says go to fix level? All by default. That keeps defaulting. It's like a glitch. We're going occupancy auto on and only to the plug loads, because that's all that's being turned on and off every day is the occupancy for the plug loads. Back to the, so I don't know if it's the go to fix level command in the scheduled events that's causing this glitch. I don't know if it's the device itself, the relay itself. Like you can clearly see, it's clearly attached. But as you can see, the room is now vacant. And those lights are not working. So, without even doing anything else, I'm going to go in here. I'm going to delete it. Recreate it. Like I said, I changed the name up a little bit each time, but it's all the same devices, reselected, save. Now when I go into my occupancy set, gosh dang, this is hard to do while being on the phone. Okay. So now I just recreated the occupancy set. The same devices, same everything. I set it into test mode. And it's going to fix itself. Pretty sure when the status changes that you will, when it partial offs, you will see the fixture dim out. I love when it gets stuck. Occupied. So occupied, it just kicked all the lights on to 50%. We are in test mode. So I just want partial off. You can see that it already dimmed those lights. And I'm just doing a test mode for functional test verification. So literally just deleting and redoing is resolving the problems.